In this video, I'm going to show you how to download Tableau Desktop for students. So the first thing you want to do, you want to go to tableau.com/academic/students, and then once you come to this website, as you can see over here, it says Tableau for students, and you can get it for free. So click over here. And then once you click on this button, it says almost there. You have to fill in your first name, and then you have to fill in your last name as well, and then you have to put in your email. So I'm just gonna put in my email over here. There we go. And then you'll have to put in your role as well. Okay, so I'm gonna do a student over here, and then the country, and then you can select if you want to receive the marketing communication or not. Of course, that's up to you. And then just click download the app over here. And then in just a few seconds, as you can see over here, it says, there we go, it's gonna take you to this website over here, and then you will be, essentially your download will begin, okay? If it doesn't begin, so if nothing happens, simply click on the operating system you're using. So for example, me, I'm using Windows. I'm gonna click over here, and then it's gonna start downloading for you onto your computer, and then that's pretty much that, okay? So that's all you have to do to actually download for students onto desktop and then start using it on your computer. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.